Nestled on a quiet cul-de-sac within the gated community of Rio Pinar Lakes, this updated Leonard-Cambridge floor plan combines energy efficiency, thoughtful updates, and timeless comfort into one outstanding opportunity. An owned solar electric system, water softener system, new solar water heater 2025, new roof 2022, and new exterior paint 2022 provide peace of mind, while the private heated saltwater pool and spa feature both solar and propane heating, a brand new saltwater chlorination cell, and an innovative dual pump system with a dedicated solar-powered circulation pump that helps keep the pool sparkling while improving overall energy efficiency. Many of the home's most significant improvements have already been completed, creating exceptional value so you can spend more time enjoying everything this home has to offer. The sought-after Leonard-Cambridge floor plan combines major energy-efficient upgrades with everyday comfort and move-in-ready convenience. Offering approximately 2,434 square feet of living space, the Cambridge floor plan features 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths, and a desirable split-bedroom layout. One secondary bedroom is positioned adjacent to a full bath, providing added flexibility while maintaining privacy within the home's thoughtful design. Step inside to spacious formal living and dining rooms enhanced by upgraded laminate flooring and fresh interior paint throughout much of the home. The refreshed kitchen serves as the heart of the home, featuring refinished cabinetry in a sophisticated blue finish, buffed solid surface countertops, stainless steel appliances, abundant storage, and a breakfast nook overlooking the spacious family room, screened lanai, heated saltwater pool and spa, and oversized fenced backyard. Whether preparing a quiet dinner or entertaining guests, you'll appreciate the seamless connection between the indoor and outdoor living spaces. Privately tucked away, the primary suite offers a flexible sitting area ideal for a home office, nursery, reading lounge, or fitness space. The refreshed ensuite features a redesigned subway tile shower with decorative accents, updated dual vanities, and modern finishes. 3 additional bedrooms and 2 additional full baths complete the home's comfortable and functional layout. Situated on an oversized home site of more than 1/4 acre, the fenced backyard creates an exceptional setting for outdoor living. Enjoy the screened heated saltwater pool and spa or retractable awning that extends the covered lanai for additional shade and comfort, and plenty of yard space for entertaining, gardening, play, or pets. Much of the fencing has also been recently replaced, adding even more peace of mind. The home includes a transferable home warranty covering many major components, including the pool, allowing the next owner to enjoy added confidence from day one. Residents of Rio